Hello and welcome to our video on how to apply for a working holiday visa. If you're someone who loves to travel, experience new cultures, and work abroad, a working holiday visa may be just the thing for you. In this video, we will walk you through the process of applying for a working holiday visa so that you can make the most of this opportunity. Firstly, it's important to determine if you're eligible for a working holiday visa. The eligibility criteria vary depending on the country you're applying to. However, in general, you must be between the ages of 18 and 30, have a valid passport, and be a citizen of a country that has a working holiday agreement with the country you're applying to. Once you have determined your eligibility, you can begin the application process. The first step is to gather all of the necessary documents. This typically includes your passport, a recent passport-sized photograph, and proof of sufficient funds to support yourself during your stay. Additionally, you may need to provide a police clearance certificate and undergo a medical examination. Next, you'll need to fill out the application form and pay any associated fees. Be sure to double-check that all of the information you provide is accurate and up-to-date. Once you have submitted your application, it will be reviewed by immigration officials. If your application is approved, you'll receive a letter of acceptance and instructions on how to obtain your working holiday visa. It's important to follow these instructions carefully to ensure that you receive your visa in a timely manner. Once you have your working holiday visa, you can begin making your travel arrangements. Keep in mind that working holiday visas typically have certain restrictions, such as limits on the types of work you can do and the length of time you can stay in the country. It's important to familiarize yourself with these restrictions to avoid any issues during your stay. In conclusion, applying for a working holiday visa can be an exciting and rewarding experience. By following these steps and being diligent with your application, you can increase your chances of being approved for a working holiday visa and enjoy all the benefits that come with it. If you have any further questions or need assistance with the application process, feel free to contact us at info@elevanceconsultancy.com.